Today I fall only 2 times. Usually every time I come I fall about 5 times. So I need 3 more times to fall. All right. ها بیا دیگه. نه گفت پشت سر ما میاد. بیا Made it.
You're taking all the wrong lights.
Okay. Did I go wrong?
Huh?
I go wrong way.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're going over the roots.
Yeah.
When you're going on an angle.
Yeah.
You gotta hit them square.
Just
Like this.
You need to cut it.
not sideways.
No sideways.
Okay.
And then when you see, you gotta hold the bike like this. The knees.
Yeah.
You holding the bike like with the hands. And then
Yeah,
your
yeah.
hands up there. Oh my god.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll show you.
Yeah.
There's a few nice ones down here. There's a trail I think on the left.
Okay.
It's really good, yeah.
Okay. You follow you.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Ali.
Ali?
Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro.
Alex.
Alex.
Hey, Frank.
Same.
Frank?
Yeah.
You know that. Alan. Alex. Ali.
You have a bunch of bushes in your.
I know.
Yeah.
Stopped. Well, you stopped it at the bush there,
Yeah, yeah.
and then I ended up right in it.
Is this 250?
250, yeah.
250.
But
Nice.
two-stroke.
Two stroke.
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
heavy.
Heavy, heavy.
Yeah, very heavy.
Yeah.
This is like, you come over, I'll show you.
No, I know. I have a Husqvarna 2015 two-stroke. Usually I use that, but this is new. I got it. This is the second time. It's killing me.
It's nice. But
It's-
yeah, it's good.
It's killing me. Next.
But if you have to push it, oh.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No. Next time I bring the
The
Husqvarna.
two-stroke is easy. For
Two-stroke.
here, it's very good.
Very
if you
good.
get stuck somewhere,
Yeah, yeah,
one hand,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
this
Yeah.
Heavy.
pushing a bear up the hill, you know.
yeah. Plus our tire is so slippery.
Make sure next time his tire is good. He keeps it low, 5 psi.
5 psi. Yeah.
5 psi, and look. Look at the gum.
Mine is not gummy.
No, come over.
I know. Gummy tire. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know. Gummy tire. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
This is like very soft.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
And
for
then go
that.
every route.
That's why I have on my Husqvarna. I have a gummy. Yeah.
What's a
But-
Husqvarna?
Husqvarna 250.
What bike is that?
Is it same as Husqvarna GasGas
Husqvarna.
Husqvarna? Yeah.
I cannot hear you what you're saying.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Husqvarna. Yeah.
Somebody's looking for you.
Yeah.
Boss,
Yeah.
No problem.
You guys
Yeah, yeah. Be ready.
There's a trail on the left. I think it's here. I think it's here. We'll find it. We'll find something.
Yeah.
Here, no first. First gear's too much. Second, pretty much all the way here.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
But I did fall one.
you did?
Yeah.
I fall all the time, man.
Yeah, I need 2 more falls to make 5. But I take my time. I take my time.
I'll wait for you.
Okay.
Where there's hoops and where there's difficult like this, I'll stop.
Okay.
So if you guys have any,
Yeah. Whew.
there's a lot of Iranian people here.
Yeah.
You go here, I want you. Don't go here.
Yeah.
You know, go over here.
Yeah.
So less bump for you, less.
Yeah, shake.
Yeah. And then in between the rocks and stuff, and then it's all good.
Oh, good.
Thank you, Abacus. Beer? Beer.
No, no beer. Me not drinking. Yeah. I eat too much drinking before. Too much.
Every time, every day.
Let's go
Eat
back now.
all the time like this before, but no.
He bring me over here, he drinks, and then he put the rubbish in my bag. He does that all the time.
That's okay. He's thirsty.
Yeah. Let's be careful. روشنه. Yeah. Yeah, the two-stroke really is good for here. This is not good for here.
It's a little bit more difficult.
It's
Still possible, you can ride
with
it
two-stroke this road, if I will come, usually I fall maybe one time or sometimes no. I have
too
this
much power. There's too much power from here.
some places too much power, and then it slips so
You
much,
gotta hold the clutch.
so much I
So
holding
it
the,
doesn't do.
yeah.
I listened this music before.
Yeah.
20 years ago.
You did?
You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Yes, it is, yeah. How do you know? How do you know?
Yeah. In Mexico too, we are listening to this music in the Aksara, in the Istanbul,
Okay.
in the restaurant, and then Amyun.
Oh, in Istanbul there's a lot of Bulgarian. It's a big history. Big history.
My music is a restaurant.
Mm.
I'm listening to this one more than 100 times.
Okay. Yeah.
It's your life.
Accordion, yeah.
Recording.
We have an accordion same in the Turkey, we have an accordion same in the Iran. It's little bit different.
Yeah,
I'd
but
say.
overall, yes. Yeah, I never been to Iran, but planning this year to go to Turkey. This year.
Oh, please go visit the Istanbul,
Yeah,
Antalya,
Antalya, yeah.
and Izmir.
Izmir,
Yeah, that's it.
is it good? Beautiful.
Super. We don't have a same. I visited around the 35 countries. Because my business is different.
Okay,
I need
that's
it.
okay.
I didn't saw the same as Istanbul. I born in the Iran.
Okay,
Istanbul is different.
Istanbul is different. Yeah.
Wow.
Everybody tell me the same thing. But now prices are go up on Turkey. Everything is expensive, starting to get expensive.
You know, with dollar,
Yeah,
it's too cheap.
is it?
Too cheap.
maybe move this side so not feel coming. Just move the side.
Yeah.
I hear somebody coming.
I'm going to down.
Just move the side. Just move it here so we're not on their way. Bad thing happening now with the ramp. I don't like it. Right now it's not fun.
Yeah.
The orange guy down south. Orange guy, man.
I know that.
Trump. Yeah, this song I know. This song, yeah, I do.
Have a 15-minute break.
Yeah. Van Dijk shoot. Huh? بزن تو بعدش. فریبرز رادیو داره؟
نه.
نداره.
Yeah, only kick. No, but it's not if it's for show.
Yeah, this one is a little bit
Yeah.
hard. If you not good rider, not too much.
Yeah. It can be tiring.
Yes.
If you go black trails only, very difficult. But green and this is no problem.
آقا بریم لاستیکا رو عوض کنیم. اینا
Yeah, we have.
Somebody coming. See, you're just gonna move aside. It's okay. No.
They can pass.
I think it's only one guy. We've been hearing and catching up. Did you catch up your breath now?
Yeah.
شماره‌شو بگیر، بچه خیلی خوبیه. بگی شماره‌شو عدش بگیر تو اینستاگرام کاری نداری.
بگیر دیگه شما.
ها؟
شما بگیر شماره‌شو. من
زبانم
تلفن
خوب
ندارم.
نیست که تو که زبان خوبه. خوبی شانتال تلفنتو بده ادت کنی تو اینستاگرام. میایم اینجا بچه خوبیه با معرفته. وای نیسته. حال میده.
Yeah, he wants to add you to Persian Riders
Sure.
group. Yeah,
No
we have a
problem.
group. Instagram.
No problem.
Yeah,
I don't have an Instagram, but I have Facebook.
Oh, perfect.
perfect.
Your glove ball.
Can I get your number?
Yeah. 778
778
991
991
3902.
3902.
Alex.
Alex,
I will call you.
Alex Trail Guy. Yeah, we can organize. Yeah.
No problem.
You were very friendly.
Well,
I
we
told
have
it-
similar.
Yeah, I told them. my
Similar
friend,
culture. Yeah.
He's very friendly. He's good
Yeah.
rider. You can.
Yeah. Oh, I used to be bad rider too, man. You know, not that good. The same as you. You know, I fall 10 times by the time I come to gear.
Yeah.
You know, you can't catch on. Be in the bush.
Oh.
You guys should come on Father's Day. Here, they do a club ride. So over 200 riders here.
Oh,
And,
Father's Day.
You pay $50.
No problem.
You do the trail ride, and then they give you barbecue after. Include it, and then draw it. So you may win. You know, like
Yeah,
just
yeah.
keep it member of the club.
Yeah,
Like Blue Mountain Club.
Yeah,
Shaking.
yeah.
It's fun. They
Yeah.
do trails, and every tree, and on the trees they put marks, like arrows. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go
yeah.
different.
Yeah,
Fun.
yeah, yeah.
You know, you go like a 50, 60.
Yeah. We
and
will.
then you